Hello friends and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a Chickoo and fig shake. This recipe is really delicious, really easy to make and can be a great refreshment for these summer days. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We will need 5 chickoos which we have washed and cut like this, 15 grams of walnuts, 15 grams of almonds, 4 anjir, also known as figs, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 500 ml of milk. I hope you've liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!